Welcome back, everyone. I'm here to share another feature of Kanoa's Canvas. As you know, Canvas is more than just a typical digital mood board. Our Canvas is connected to a product catalog where every product is enriched with incredible data, like product specs and embodied carbon. When you add a product into your Canvas, you can find all of the product details by right-clicking and selecting View Product Details. A side panel will open up that shows you all of the product data. If you scroll down, you'll see other categories like kits, recommended, and similar products. This is where things get good. Let's open up similar products. Shown here are the different fabric options available for this chair. I want to see how a different color would look in this vignette. You can easily drag and drop different options to see how they'll look. Remove background, bring it back into your vignette, and you can decide which color option looks best. When I open up the recommended category, additional products that may work with my design are shown. This helps me easily find alternates to create additional design options. Toggling between the different views allows you to easily add a new product into your vignette, as well as your floor plan. Now I'm going to look at kits. Kits are vignette templates that are great for inspiration and design. When I open up kits, I see other vignettes featuring the same side table, but with different furniture options. I can click on the kit image and I can find what products make up that kit, as well as other further similar kits. I can drag the whole kit into my canvas and include these as options that I want to present. Using Kanoa, I've saved myself a ton of time putting together design options. Give it a try for yourself.